This is how to avoid the two biggest mistakes of the Glo-Bus facility page and the secret to doing it right. This is the facility page. You use it to manage your workstation spaces and the installed workstations. You always need to purchase workstation spaces before you buy workstations. One of my students, we'll call her Judy, invested lots of money randomly in facility spaces and workstations. She wasn't going to have stockouts at her company. But all of that extra investment meant that she had a lot of money invested in buildings and equipment that was just sitting around without enough demand to fill it. And her company was swallowed by the cash flow monster of supply-side inefficiency. Jeremy was smarter. He wouldn't waste money on excess capacity. He made his capacity at maximum overtime exactly equal to his demand. Unfortunately, he had a lot of unmet demand, which caused stockouts or lost sales. All that extra money he spent giving discounts, marketing, and making quality improvements ended as a waste of effort. And his lean little company was eaten up by the monster of demand-side inefficiency. Jeremy and Judy had a classmate, Isaac, that listened to the business simulation coaches. On the facility page, you simply need to do two things. One, adjust your spaces and workstations so that the number available is the same. And two, adjust your number of workstations so that your assembly capability without overtime is equal to your projected demand. Good work, Isaac. I hope you like this content. If so, please like it. If you want the free Glo-Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages, subscribe and then hit the link in the description.